guys, what you can do if you don't have you can order at a store, so that way you don't have to pay for the shipping. And then we are just ordering this one, the Skyline traveler shorts, and this is like 50% off, 85 to 41 right now, and we are ordering here, so you don't have to come, and you know, we don't have to pay shipping. So they gave us a kind of tablet, and then we're just like, you know, sitting here, and we're just, you know, going to order from here.